In this video, I'm going to share with you how you could create multiple streams of income from just one niche. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to kind of open up your mind a little bit, maybe point you in a good direction, or maybe, share something with you that you didn't really think about. All right. This comes from like taking one niche, being in one niche, and actually taking that one niche and creating several different income streams. Because sometimes when people hear, multiple income streams, they think, oh, wait, so I need to be doing this over here and then be doing this completely different thing over here and then do this over here and blah, 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 blah. That's not the case, although you can do that. You know what I'm saying? You can have, different streams coming in with things that are not even remotely related to each other. A lot of people do that. But what I'm saying is, say, for example, I don't know why I always use the dog niche. I have no idea. But anyway, just say you're in the dog niche. All right. First income stream you can have is a blog, right? You can have a blog, and on that blog, you can have AdSense, right? You can have AdSense ads running on your blog, and you can actually get paid every time somebody click on one of your, ads that's on one of your posts or whatever, right? So that's one income stream. Second income stream, just from the dog niche, is YouTube, right? Creating a YouTube channel and actually getting it monetized, right? Once you get to that point, now you can earn YouTube ad dollars, right? To, creating videos about your, dog training or dog whatever. So now you're at two income streams. The next income stream you can do is actually affiliate marketing. So now you can find a product, related to whatever you're doing with the dog training, and you can go to ClickBank, JVZoo, wherever, become an affiliate. Now you can get commissions when you're on, from your blog and, your YouTube videos. You can throw your, affiliate link or whatever in the description of your video, and that could be another income stream. All right, so that's three income streams. The fourth income stream you can do is actually create. All right, you can create your own product, and it don't gotta be nothing crazy. You can create your own, ebook, Kindle book, whatever, video series. Doesn't take too much effort these days to, create your own product. You could even outsource it if you want, have somebody else create the product for you, and it'll be yours. You know what I'm saying? So that's a great way, to have another income stream, right? So that's what, 4, right? And number 5, that's where I'm hitting you with 5 income streams you can do. All right, and that is depending on your niche, depending on you, whatever, but you can offer some sort of coaching. All right, so even in the dog training, say you developed a program or a course or whatever, then you could turn around and offer, say, one-on-one coaching, how to train your dog. You could do live Skype sessions and webinars and all kinds of stuff like that. And you can really charge, decent amount of money for that if you're doing some sort of coaching program, one-on-one or whatever. That can be an income stream in itself. And there's some other ones you can do, but I just gave you 5. And either you can pick 1 or 2 of those, 3 of those, or all of them if you want. Personally, though, take it one at a time. Pick one to begin with. I always recommend start with YouTube. Start with YouTube or a blog. One of them. You know what I mean? I say start with YouTube first, right? Build that up, and then maybe build a blog, and then you can send people from your YouTube to your blog, and then from your blog to affiliate products, or from your video to your affiliate products, and so on and so on. You also could create an email list, right? So you can have a lead capture page on your blog or in the description of your YouTube video, and have people, sign up to your newsletter, your email list. Now you can promote to people whenever you want. You know what I'm saying? Building that list. So guys, there's money to be made out here. So you don't have to be in 100 different niches to get multiple streams of income. You can create several ones from whatever niche you're in. All right. Everything that I listed, that I named, pretty much could be applied to any niche that I could think of. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. And by the way, if you want to see what I'm doing right now, out of curiosity, I'm with Genesity and Builderall. Both links in the description. Genesity is a network marketing type company, and Builderall is just that all-in-one platform, internet marketing tools out this world, and they got an incredible affiliate program. So if you're interested in either one of those, links in the description. But I gotta go. All right. Be sure to subscribe. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.